ॐ शुक्लांभरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करभावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानामेकदन्तमुपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां श्रीहयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्ज सम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्वचं। வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு ஹரஹரோஹரா. லோகவீரியம் மகாபூஜ்யம் சர்வரக்ஷாகரம் விபும் பார்வதி ஹிருதயானந்தம் சாஸ்தாரம் பிரணமாம்யஹம். சுவாமியே சரணமையப்பா. वागर्ताविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्त प्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। श्री पार्वती परमेश्वराभ्यां नमः। कोमलं कूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रशङ्खकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचरगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्ये सदा। कृष्णेनैव सुरक्षितोऽहमसकृत् कृष्णाय दत्तं मनः। कृष्णादेव समुद्भवो मम विभो कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं। कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन्। हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः। श्री गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैरणभ्यर्थितानपि अर्थान् कामानजस्रं वितरति परमानन्दसान्द्रां गतिं च। इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिकफलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं शक्रवाटी ध्रुवमभिलषति व्यर्थमर्त्यव्रजोऽयम्। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। श्रीः भट्टपादम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। वंशी विभूषितकरात् नवनीरदाभात् पीताम्बरात् अरुणबिम्बफलाधरोष्टात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। കൈരണ്ടും കൂപ്പി ഞാൻ വീണ്ടുമീറക്കുന്നു നീരജലോചന നിന്നോടായി. ഏതീനു മന്യനെ കുംഭീരേന്ദാത്തോരു പ്രീതിയിൽ നീ എന്നെ പാലിക്കെന്നായി. കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ. Good morning, everyone. My voice is little down. I'm having a cold in the evening, so apologies for that. So Nikki, let's do a quick review. So Sindhuji, since you are going to be chanting it next week, can you review the Kavacham?
Sure.
And the initial Nyasam, do it like you're normally, like you would do. If you need help, let me know.
Okay. Rajovaja Yaya Gupta Sahasraksha Sabahan Ribusaiниgan Kredanniva Vinirjitya Trilokya Bubuje Sriyam Bhagavam Stan Mamakyahi Varmanarayanatmagam Yada Dadayina Shatrun Yena Gupto Jayan Mrade Sri Shugavaja Vridapurohidastwastro Mahendrayanubrichade Narayanakhyam Varmaha Tadihaigamana Srinu.
You can, if you're when you're doing the Nyasam, just say the thing so people can also follow, right? So when you're saying Om Namo.
Om Namo Narayanaya.
Other times, Sindhuji, see if you can touch the various parts, right? So the Anganyasam, so the Om starts at the feet, then it goes up, right? First from feet, Om Namo Narayanaya goes up, and then you do the reverse, right? From Ya down. So it'd be like Om Na, then Tais Mo Bhil Na Ra Ya Na Ya.
Okay, I was usually doing in the mind. Okay.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Om Narayana. I think I messed it up.
Namo Om Namo Narayanaya.
Yeah. Om Namo Narayanaya. Yeah. The reverse is hard for me.
A bit hard, yeah.
Yeah. I'll just.
Ya, na, ya, ra,
ya, ra,
na, mo, na, om.
Om.
And then the whole Om Namo Narayanaya, just summarizing the full body. Yeah.
Om Namo Narayanaya. Om Namo Narayanaya. Om Namo Narayanaya. Om Visha Na Ve Na 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 Ma Om Astraya Ma Astraya Bhat 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 Ma Astraya Bhat.
So that is Phat. That and it's the P with the emphasis.
Okay.
So Phat. Okay.
Okay. Om Vishnave Namayidi Atmanam Paramam Dhyaye Dheyam Shadshaktibiryudam Vidya Dejastabo Murtim Imam Mandramudaharet Om Harirvidadhyan Mama Sarvaraksham Nyastham Kribatma Padagendra Prishte Darari Charma Sigadeshu Jaba Pashan Dadanoshta Gunoshta Bahuhu Jaleshu Mam Rakshadu Malsyamurtihi Yado Ganebhyo Varunasya Pashad Staleshu Maya Vadua Manovyad Trivikramaghevadu Vishwarubaha दुर्गेष्वडव्याजिमुगादिषु प्रभुः पायान्द्रसिंहो सुरयूधभारिः विमुञ्जदो यस्य महाट्टहासं दिशो विनेर्दुर्न्यपदंश्च गर्भाः रक्षत्वसोमाध्वनि यज्ञकल्पः स्वदंष्ट्रयोनीदधरो वराहः रामोद्रिगूढेष्वदविप्रवासे सलक्ष्मणो व्याद्भरदाग्रजोऽस्मान् मामुग्रधर्मादखिलात् प्रमादात् नारायणः पादु नरश्च हासात् दध्वस्तयोगाददयोगनादः पायाद्गुणेशः कपिलः कर्मबन्धात् सनत्कुमारो वधुकामदेवात् हयशीर्षामाम्बदि देवहेळनात् देवर्षिवर्य पुरुषार्चनान्तरात् कूर्मो हरिर्मां निरयादशेषात् धन्वन्तरि भगवान् पाध्वपद्यात् द्वन्द्वात् भयादृषभो निर्जिदात्मा यज्ञश्च लोगादवदाज्जनान्दात् बलोगणात् क्रोधवशादहीन्द्रः द्वैपायनो भगवान् प्रबोधात् बुद्धस्तु भागण्डगणात् प्रमादात् कल्कि कले कालमलात् प्रभादु धर्मावनायोरुकृदावतारः मां केशवो गदया प्रादरव्याद् गोविन्द आसङ्गवमात्तवेणुः नारायण प्राण उदात्त शक्तिः मध्यं दिने विष्णुररीन्द्रपाणिः देवोपराह्ने मधुहोग्रधन्वा सायं धृधामा वधुमाधवो मां दोषे ऋषिकेश उदार्थरात्रे निशीदये गोवधुपद्मनाभः.
We do Srivatsadama. I thought we did. Okay.
श्रीवत्सधामा पररात्रैष प्रत्यूष ईशोऽसिधरो जनार्दन दामोदरो व्यादनुसन्ध्यं प्रभाते विश्वेश्वरो भगवान् कालमूर्तिः.
Very good. I think that first line Janardhanaha in the Srivatsadama Pararatra Ishaha Pratyusha Isosi Daro Janardhanaha. That last answer, 22nd.
22nd. Oh, Janardhanaha. Okay, yeah.
All right, so let's get going. Cindy, we'll break it into two groups, right? So maybe first one, Kalpana, can you be a student? And Lavanya, can you be a student? Kalpana, you are there, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So start with 23. Chakram Yuganta Nalatig Manemi, short me, comma, Brahmat Samantat Bhagavat Prayuktam Dandagdhi Dandagdhyeri. So the first is Dandagdhi, next is Dandagdhyeri Sainyamashu, comma, Kaksham Yatha Vatasakho Hutashaha. Chakram Yuganta Nalatik Manemi Brahmat Samantad Bhagavat Prayuktam Dandagdi Dandagdhyeri Sainyamashu Kaksham Yatha Vatasakho Hutashaha.
Chakram Yugantanalatik Manemi Brahmat Samantat Bhagavat Prayuktam Dandagdi Dandagdhyeri Sainyamashu Kaksham Yatha Vatasakho Hutashaha.
The first word line Yuganta. I think there was one R. I think you didn't say that. Yes.
Chakram Yugantanalatik Manemi Brahmat Samantat Bhagavat Prayuktam Dandagdi Dandagdhyeri Sainyamashu Kaksham Yatha Vatasakho Hutashaha.
Chakram Yugantanalatikmanemi Brahmat Samta
Brahmat Samantat Bhagavat.
Okay, Brahmat Samantat Bhagavat Prayuktam Dagdandyari Sainyamashu Kaksham Yatha Vatsakho Hutashaha. चक्रं युगान्तानलतिविघ्नमेनि ब्रह्मत् சரியா வரல எனக்கு
Brahmat Samantad.
பிரமத் சமந்தாத் சாரி சொல்லுங்க
Brahmat Samantad.
பிரமத் சமந்தாத்
Bhagavat.
பிரமத் சமந்தாத் பகவத் பிரயுக்தம் दन्दग्धि सैन्यमाशु कक्षं यथा वातसको हुताशः.
Gadesha Nisparshana Visphu Linge, and then you can put a plus there. Visphu Linge plus Nishpindya Jita Priyasi Kushmanda Vainayaka Yaksha Raksho, and then put a plus again. Bhuta Grahamsh Churnaya Churnayarin. Bhuta Grahamsh Churnaya Churnayarin.
Sha வந்து full half sha தான் இல்லையா? Bhuta Grahamsh தான். Grahamsha இல்ல.
A full ha is a full ha. That ish is a half ish. Bhuta Grahamsh. Okay, so in the sometimes the script and then at least the Sanskrit version is a little bit confusing. It's got a ish and a cha underneath it, so it's Bhuta Grahamsh Churnaya Churnayarin. Okay. Gadesha Nisparshana Visphulinge Nishpindya Jita Priyasi Kushmanda Vainayaka Yaksha Raksho Bhuta Grahamsh Churnaya Churnayarin.
गदेशनिष्पर्शन नविस्फुलिंगे निष्पीड्य जिति प्रियासी कूष्मांड वैनायक यक्ष रक्षो भूतग्रहांश्चूर्णय चूर्णयारीन्.
Kalpana, the first line Nishpindi.
Okay. गदेशनिष्पर्श नविस्फुलिंगे निष्पीड्य जिति प्रयासी कूष्मांड वैनायक यक्ष रक्षो भूतग्रहांश्चूर्णय चूर्णयारीन्.
Then you were pausing before that na, I don't know why. So it's Nisparshana. That's one, you can say it together. So Gadesha Nisparshana.
Oh, the first.
Gadesha
Yeah.
Okay, sure.
गदेश निष्पर्षण विष्पुलिंगे निष्पिंड्य जित प्रियासी कूष्मांड वैनायक यक्ष रक्षो भूत ग्रहां चूर्णयारिन्. गदेश निष्पर्षण विष्पुलिंगे निष्पिंड्य जित प्रियासी कूष्मांड वैनायक यक्ष रक्षो भूतग्रहं चूर्णयारिन्.
Tvam Yatu Dhana Pramatha Preta Matru Pisha, and then put a plus. Preta Matru plus Pishacha Vipra Graha Ghora Drishtin. So that line is together. Darendra Vidravaya Krishna Purito, comma Bhimaswanore. So say it together up to that. Bhimaswanore Hridayani Kampayan. Tvam Yatu Dhana Pramata Preta Matra Pishacha Vipra Graha Ghora Drishtin Darendra Vidravaya Krishna Purito Bhimaswanore Hridayani Kampayan.
त्वं यातु दान प्रमद प्रेत मातृ पिशाच विप्रग्रह घोर दृष्टीन् धरेन्द्र विद्रावय कृष्ण पूरितो भीमस्वनोरे हृदयानि कंपयन्. त्वं यातु दान प्रमद प्रेत मातृ पिशाच विप्रग्रह घोर दृष्टीन् धरेन्द्र विद्रावय कृष्ण पूरितो भीमस्वनोरे हृदयानि कंपयन्.
त्वं यातु धान प्रमथ प्रेत मातृपिशाच विप्रग्रह घोर दृष्टिन् दरेन्द्र विद्रावय कृष्णपूरितो भीमस्वनोरे हृदयानि कंपयन्. இங்க வந்து tune போயிடுச்சு.
That's okay.
त्वं यातु धान प्रमथ प्रेत मातृपिशाच विप्रग्रह घोर दृष्टिन् दरेन्द्र विद्रावय कृष्णपूरितो भीमस्वनोरे हृदयानि कंपयान्.
Yeah. Tvam tigma dharasi varari sainyam. Again, first put a plus there to join that entire line together, and you can say varari sainyam isha. So you'll have a misha there. It is easy to break it. So you can say varari sainyam isha prayukto mama chindi chindi chakshumshi charman chata chandra chadaya. So the first chakshumshi is the first cha, charman is the first cha, chata is the second cha, chandra is the first cha, chadaya is the second cha. Okay, so chakshumshi charman chata chandra chadaya, comma dvishama gonam hara papa chakshusham.
Rajeshji, in the first line, Tvang Dhikmadharasi Varari Sainyam, do we break or do we say?
It's together only. If you want to break, you break, but that line goes continuously.
Okay.
If you want to say it continuously, you can do that as well.
Okay, and in my book, the Chachumshi Charman, after that it is Shada Chandra.
Oh, it's a second cha. Let me check the Bhagavatam script here. Yeah, it's a second cha, chata.
Okay.
Okay. Tvam tigmadharasi varari sainyamisha prayukto mama chindi chindi chakshumshi charman chata chandra chadaya dvishama gonam harapapa chakshusham.
Tvam digmadharasi varari sainyamisha prayukto mama chindi chindi chakshumchi charma chata chandra chadaya dvishama ghonam harapapa chakshusham. Tvam digmadharasi varari sainyamisha prayukto mama chindi chindi chakshumshi charma chata chandra chadaya dvishama ghonam harapapa chakshusham.
In the second line, after that chakshumshi charma, there is a small that nya, half nya is there, right? So that will come as in. So chakshumshi charman, that in sound will come there. The second line.
Sure, I correct. In my book, Telugu, it shows as
Yeah.
I corrected to in.
Yeah.
त्वं तिग्मधारासि वरारि सैन्यम् ईश प्रयुक्तो मम चिन्दी चिन्दी चक्षुंचि चर्मन् छतचन्द्र छादय द्विषामघोनां हरपाप चक्षुषाम् त्वं तिग्मधारासि वरारि सैन्यम् ईश प्रयुक्तो मम चिन्दी चिन्दी चक्षुंचि चर्मन् चतचन्द्र छादय द्विषामघोनां हरपाप चक्षुषाम्.
Next, yenno bhayam grahebhyo bhoot. Say it together. Grahebhyo bhoot, comma ketubhyo nrbhya eva cha sari spripebhyo damstribhyo, comma bhutebhyom. So there's a dot there or a im there. So bhutebhyom hobhya. You can say it together. Bhutebhyom hobhya eva cha. Some books have a va at the end of that line. You can change it to a cha. So just like how the first line is nrbhya eva cha, similarly hobhya eva cha. Yenno bhayam grahebhyo bhut ketubhyo nribhya eva cha sari srupebhyo damstribhyo bhutebhyom hobhya eva cha.
Yanno bhayam grahebhyo bhut ketubhyo nribhya eva cha sarisrupyebhyo damstribhyo bhutebyom hobhya eva cha. Yanno bhayam grahebhyo bhut ketubhyo nribhya eva cha sarirasrupebhyo damstribhyo bhutebyom hobhya eva cha.
यन्नो भयं ग्रहेभ्यो भूत केतुभ्यो निर्भय एव च शरीस्प्रेभ्यो दंष्ट्रुभ्यो भूतेभ्यो भोभ्य एव च यन्नो भयं ग्रहेभ्यो भूत केतुभ्यो नृभयो एव च
नृभ्य
केतुभ्यो नृभ्य एव च शरीस्प्रेभ्यो दंष्ट्रुभ्यो भूतेभ्यो होभ्य एव च.
The second line also is a little tough to say that, but the sari srpebhyo, okay, just like that nr came in the previous line, this is sr in this line. Okay, sarvan yetani bhagavan nama, I think you can put a plus in that line. So sarvan yetani bhagavan nama rupastra kirtanath prayantu samkshayam sadhyo, comma, ye naha is there, so put a ish there, ye nash shreyaha is there, so put a if there, shreyah pratipakaha. So like, I'm not going to tell meaning for everything, I'll send a meaning at the end, but the 27 and 28 is saying whenever you have fear or your danger from grahebhyo, grahas, the navagrahas, right? Whenever there's a bad influence of navagrahas, or ketubhya is referring to falling stars like comets, any bad omen which is coming because of the falling things, or because of sarisrupebhyo is referring to serpents, scorpions, and all those things which sting, right? Things which, insects which sting. And damstribhyo is damstra, the ones which have tooth, right? So it could be tiger, lion, anything, right, which has got a sharp tooth, and all the bad people. Then the best way for that is, for all of these things, is Bhagavan Nama Rupasra Kirtanat, is just singing the praise of your name and your form and your activities. Like, you can just very simply say in the Hare Krishna mantra is saying, because it says, okay, this God come and protect me, this God come and protect me. For these things it says just Bhagavan Nama Rupasra Kirtana, just praying to your form and praying to your name is sufficient to help with all of these things. Sarvanyetani bhagavan nama rupastra kirtanat prayantuk samkshayam sadhyo ye nashreyah pratipakaha.
So we have to pause at the end of the first line. I thought it's a plus.
Sarvanyetani bhagavan nama rupastra kirtanat is continuous. At the end of that line is a pause. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So no plus after that. Okay. Sarvanyetani bhagavan nama rupastra kirtanat prayantu samkshayam sadhyo yena shreyah pratipakaha. Sarvanyetani bhagavan nama rupastra kirtanat prayantu samkshayam sadhyo yena shreyah pratipakaha.
सर्वाण्येतानि भगवन्नाम रूपास्त्र कीर्तनात् प्रयान्तु संक्षयं सद्यो येन श्रेयः प्रतीपकाः. सर्वाण्येतानि प्रतीपकाः सर्वाण्येतानि भगवन्नाम रूपास्त्र कीर्तनात् प्रयान्तु संशयं सद्यो येन श्रेयः प्रतीपकाः.
And then na kapra you can put a ish, Lavanya, enash shreyah. Okay. Yeah. Garudo Bhagavan Stotra. Again, you can put a plus there as well. Stotra Stobash Chando Mayaha is there. So Chando Mayaf, put a if there. Stobash Chando Mayaf Prabhu Rakshat Vashesha Krich Chrebyo. So cha with a r at the bottom. So Krichrebyo, comma Vishwaksena. Vishwaksenaha is there. Put a is there. Vishwaksenas Swanamabihi. Garudho Bhagavan Stotrastobashchando Mayaf Prabhu Rakshat Vashesha Krichrebyo Vishwaksena Swanamabihi.
Garudo Bhagavan Stotrastobashchando Mayaf Prabhu Rakshat Vashesha Krichrebhyo Vishwaksena Swanamabhihi. Garudo Bhagavan Stotrastobashchando Mayaf Prabhu Rakshat Vashesha Krichrebhyo Vishwaksena Swanamabhihi.
Garudo Bhagavan Stotrastho Chandomaya Prabhu Rakshatvasesha Krichebhyo Vishwaksena Swanamabihi. Garudo Bhagavan Stotrastho Chandomaya Prabhu Rakshatvasesha Krichebhyo Vishwaksena Swanamabihi.
Sarva Padbyo, Padbyo, the and then a bha at the bottom, Padbyo, Harer Nama, then you can put a plus again, Rupa Yana Yudhani Naha, Buddhindriya Mana. So Buddhi Indriya, think of those two words. When it becomes a long D. So Buddhindriya Manaha, put a if there. Buddhindriya Manah Pranan, after Pranan, put a comma. Pantu Parshada Bhushanaha. Sarvapadbyo Harer Nama Rupayana Yudhani Nahar Buddhindriya Manah Pranan Pantu Parshada Bhushanaha.
Sarvapadbhyo Hare Nama Rupayana Yudhani Naha Buddhindrayamanah Pranan Pantu Parshada Bhushanaha. Sarvapadbhyo Hare Nama Rupayana Yudhani Naha Buddhindriyamanah Pranan Pantu Parshada Bhushanaha.
Sarvapadbhayo Hare Nama Rupa Yana Yudhani Naha Buddhindriyam Manah Pranan Pantu Parshada Bhushana Naha.
And the first word, Sarva Padbhyo, that ba is not a full ba. So it's not Padbhayo, it's Padbhyo. Okay.
Sarvapadbhyo Hare Nama Rupayana Yudhani Naha Buddhindriya Manah Pranan Pantu Parshada Bhushana Naha.
Parshada, okay, Parshada Bhushana. Second line.
Parshada Bhushana.
Yatha hi Bhagavaneva, comma, Vastutaha. So put a is there to join. Vastutas Sada Sacha Yate Satye Nanena. So this line has 4 na coming, right? So Satye Nanena has 3 nas there. Naha. So put a is there. Nas Sarve. And then put a comma after that. So Satye Nanena Nas Sarve. So 4 nas coming there. Sarve, comma. Yantu Nasham Upadravaha. Yatha hi Bhagavaneva वस्तुतः सदसच्चयते सत्येनानेन न सर्वे यान्तु नाशमुपद्रवाः
यथा हि भगवानेव वस्तुतः सदसच्चयत् सत्येनानेन न सर्वे यान्तु नाशमुपद्रवाः यथा हि भगवानेव वस्तुतः सदसच्चयत् सत्येनानेन न सर्वे यान्तु नाशमुपद्रवाः
यथा हि भगवानेव वस्तु सदश्च यत् सत्येनानेन नः सर्वे यान्तु नाशमुपद्रवाः.
The first line vastutas
यथा हि भगवानेव वस्तुतः सदसत्येत् सत्येनानेन नः सर्वे यान्तु नाशम् उपाद्रवाः.
The last upadravaha, not upa, the nasham upadravaha. यथै कात्म्यानु भावानां comma विकल्प रहितः, so put a is there, rahitas swayam bhushanayudha, so bhushanayudha linghakhya comma datte shakti is there, so put a is there, shakti he is there, so put a is shaktis swamayaya यथैकात्म्यानुभावानां विकल्परहितस्वयं भूषणायुधलिङ्गाख्या धत्ते शक्ति स्वमायया
यथैकात्म्यानुभावानां विकल्परहितस्वयं भूषणायुधलिङ्गाख्या दत्ते शक्ति स्वमायया यथैकात्मानुभावानां विकल्परहितस्वयं भूषणायुधलिङ्गाख्या दत्ते शक्ति स्वमायया
यथैकात्म्यानुभावानां विकल्परहितं स्वयं भूषणायुधलिङ्गाख्य धत्ते शक्ति स्वमायया.
The first word yathai both it and the ma are half, so katmyanu.
यथैकात्म्यानुभावानां विकल्परहिता स्वयं भूषणायुधलिङ्गाख्य धत्ते शक्ति स्वमायया.
நீங்க இங்கிலீஷ்ல பாக்குறீங்களா? This thing, this places where the is making like you're saying so like and a vandunako you won't know whether to say or right? So that's what I'm seeing the difference in some places. So just double check with the Sanskrit version later where it becomes versus so bhusha nayudha. So I think you said bhusha அப்படின்னு சொன்னீங்க இல்லையா?
பூஷணாயுத.
Yeah, so bhusha.
அதுக்கு தான் I tried Sanskrit. The very first இது Sanskritல அது படிக்கவே முடியல. So I switched to English.
The script I sent, like I said, is the way this particular script is a little bit difficult to follow. You go to prapatti.com, right? And prapatti.com you can find Narayana Kavacham, or you just search for like Srimad Bhagavatam. Like, you can just search Narayana Kavacham Sanskrit PDF, you'll get it. This one is, I found it easier to make the comments. So, but I know that the script, a lot of people told me it's a little difficult to follow in the print that is there, right? So,
one question. The second line is Shaktis, right?
Yeah, Shakti, long T.
Okay, thank you.
Tenaiva satya manena, comma, sarvagno bhagavan harihi. Patu sarvaihi is there, so put a is sarvais. Swa rupair naha, comma, sada sarvatra sarvagaha. Tenaiva satyamanena sarvagno bhagavan harihi patu sarvai swarupair naha सदा सर्वत्र सर्वगः
तेनैव सत्यमानेन सर्वज्ञो भगवान् हरिः पातु सर्वैः स्वरूपैर्नः सदा सर्वत्र सर्वगः तेनैव सत्यमानेन सर्वज्ञो भगवान् हरिः पातु सर्वैः स्वरूपैर्नः सदा सर्वत्र सर्वगः
तेनैव सत्यमानेन सर्वज्ञो भगवान् हरिः पातु सर्वैः स्वरूपैर्नः सदा सर्वत्र सर्वगः तेनैव सत्यमानेन सर्वज्ञो भगवान् हरिः पातु सर्वैः स्वरूपैर्नः सदा सर्वत्र सर्वगः
विदिक्षु dikshur dvamadaha. So dikshur dvamadaha is there, so you can put a is to join it. Dvamadas samantat, so the that you have there later on after samanta, we're going to break it into it and a. So samantat and then a comma. Next word starts with a a. Antar bahir bhagavan nar simhaha. So samantat comma antar bahir bhagavan narasimhaha. So the next word prahapayal, so that in some books already have it as prahapayal lokabhayam. Some might have in Sanskrit might put that chandrabimba or thing on top, right? So the best way to say it is prahapayal lokabhayam swanena. It's a double l, ill is coming there. So prahapayal लोक भयम स्वनेन कॉमा स्व तेजसा ग्रस्त समस्त तेजाः विदिक्षु दिक्षूर्ध्वमदः समन्तात् अंतर बहिर्भगवान् नारसिंहः प्रहापयल् लोक भयं स्वनेन स्वतेजसा ग्रस्त समस्त तेजाः
दिक्षु दिक्षूर्ध्वमदः समन्तात् अन्तर्बहिर्भगवान् नारसिंहः प्रहापयल्लोकभयं स्वनेन स्वतेजसा ग्रस्तसमस्ततेजाः विदिक्षु दिक्षूर्ध्वमदः समन्तात् अन्तर्बहिर्भगवान् नारसिंहः प्रहापयल्लोकभयं स्वनेन स्वतेजसा ग्रस्तसमस्ततेजाः
विदिक्षु दिक्षूर्ध्वमधः समन्तात् अन्तर्बहिर्भगवान् नरसिंहः प्रहापयल्लोकभयं स्वनेन स्वतेजसा ग्रस्तसमस्ततेजाः.
And the first line is Narasimha. Na.
Narasimha. Vidikshu dikshu dhvamadas samantat antar bahir bhagavan narasimha prahapayalloka bhayam swanena swatejasa grastas samastejaha.
Okay. We'll switch for the rest of the class. Vani Garu, can you be a student? And Narayani, can you be a student? So 35. Magavannidha makyatam, comma, Varma Narayanatmakam Vijeshyas Yanjasa Yena, Vijeshyas Yanjasa Yena, comma, Damshitosura, say it together, Damshitosura Yutapan. Magavannidhamakyatam Varmanarayanatmakam Vijeshyas Yanjasa Yena Damshitosura Yutapan.
Magavannidhamakyatam वर्मनारायणात्मकं विजेष्यञ्जसायेन दंशितोऽसुरया यूतपान् मघवन्निदमाख्यातं वर्मनारायणात्मकं विजेष्यस्यञ्जसायेन दंशितोऽसुरयूथपान्
मघवन्निदमाख्यातं वर्मनारायणात्मकं विजेशस्यञ्जसायेन दंशितोऽसुरयूतपान् मघवन्निदमाख्यातं वर्मनारायणात्मकं विजेष्यस्यञ्जसायेन दंशितोऽसुरयूतपान्
एतत् धारयमाणस्तु यं यं पश्यति चक्षुषा पदा वा संस्पृशेत् सद्यः साध्वसात् स विमुच्यते. So till 35 end is the actual all the protection prayers, and like it happens in every things, the next set of things are talking about the benefits, right? And they also give an example later on. So 36 and 37 are talking about the benefits. So etad dharya, the one who adorns this, right? Because it's a kavacham, right? So it's a virtual, you're kind of putting on the kavacham. And by this doesn't mean you say it once, right? And they'll talk about an example of a sage who says it several times. But if you really if you say it so many times, then even if you hear it, even if you pashit, even if you see somebody or if you touch somebody, right? Like they will also get the benefits, right? If you are read it that many number of times, right? Even if somebody hears you chanting, or even if you see somebody, or padava samshriti, even if your feet touches somebody, right? They will also get the benefits of this. If you have chanted that many number of times and you have become, you have that level of benefit, right? So that's what it's saying. It's not just for you, but if you get to that level, it will also benefit others who you interact with. Etad dharayamanastu yam yam pashyati chakshusha padava samsprishet sadyah sadvasat sa vimuchyate.
एतद्धारयमाणस्तु यं यं पश्यति चक्षुषा पदा वा संस्पृश्यत् सद्यः साध्वसात् स विमुच्यते. एतद्धारयमाणस्तु यं यं पश्यति चक्षुषा पदा वा संस्पृश्यत् सद्यः साध्वसात् स विमुच्यते.
When you go to the second line, padava samsprishet.
पदावा संस्पृश्येत् सद्यः साध्वसात् स विमुच्यते.
एतद्धारयमानस्तु यं यं पश्यति चक्षुषा पदावा संस्पृशेत् सद्यः साध्वसात् स विमुच्यते. एतद्धारयमानस्तु यं यं पश्यति चक्षुषा पदावा संस्पृशेत् सद्यः साध्वसात् स विमुच्यते.
Na kutash chid. This is like last time, that ish comes with the first word kutash, then the ch comes with the next word kutash chid bhayam tasya vidyam dharayato bhavet rajadas yugra hadibhyo vyagra dibyascha karhichith. So this is saying that this vidya, this knowledge is a very subtle knowledge which is directly connected to Narayana himself, right? And so the one who follows this or chants this or employs this, from anywhere or from anyone, bhayam, he will not get fear, right? Or he will not get worried about anything, or he will not get fear from any of the dangers listed above. That's what it says. From anyone or anything listed above, all of which was chanted earlier, they will not get any fear and thing, because it's a very subtle knowledge, and it will talk more about the importance of that, right? It's connected to Lord Narayana. So, na kutaschit bhayam tasya vidyam dharayato bhavet rajadas yugrahadibhyo vyagradibhyascha kharhichite.
न कुतश्चित् भयं तस्य विद्यां धारयतो भवेत् राजदस्युग्रहादिभ्यो व्याघ्रदिभ्यश्च कर्हिचित् न कुतश्चित् भयं तस्य विद्यां धारयतो भवेत् राजसद्युग्रहदिभ्यो व्याघ्रदिभ्यश्च कर्हिचित्.
That last line, vyagradibhyascha.
व्याघ्रादिभ्यश्च कर्हिचित्.
न कुतश्चित् भयं तस्य विद्यां धारयतो भवेत् राजदस्युग्रहादिभ्यो व्याघ्रादिभ्यश्च कर्हिचित्. करेक्टा? कर्हिचित् ताने?
Yeah, correct.
न कुतश्चित् भयं तस्य विद्यां धारयतो भवेत् राजदस्युग्रहादिभ्यो व्याघ्रादिभ्यश्च कर्हिचित्.
Imam vidyam pura kaschit, and then put a plus, kaschit kaushiko dharayan dvijaha yoga dharanaya swangam, comma jahau sa marudhanvani. So now this is talking about this knowledge, right, of Narayana Kavacham. Long time back, there was a Dvijaha. Dvijaha means twice born, which is referring to Brahmins, because Brahmins, when they get the Punal, it's as if they're taking a second birth. So that Dvijaha, his name was Kaushika. So that Kaushika, he was, of course, a very famous, sage and all that. So and the Kaushika, when he gave up his body, right, yoga dharanaya, by means of yogic power, when he eventually gave up his body and the soul left the body, he had employed this Narayana Kavacham at the time of his death. He's been chanting several times as well, but even at the time of his death, he had used this as an armor when his soul left the body, and it was lying in the desert. So that's what this stanza is. We'll see what happens later. So Marudhanvani is referring to the desert. So he had given away his body in the desert. Imam vidyam pura kaschit kaushiko dharayan dvijaha yoga dharanaya swangam jahau samarudhanvani.
इमां विद्यां पुरा कश्चित् कौशिको धारयन् द्विजः योगधारणया स्वाङ्गं जहौ मरुद्धन्वनीम्. इमां विद्यां पुरा कश्चित् कौशिको धारयन् द्विजः योगधारणया स्वाङ्गं जहौ मरुद्धन्वनी.
इमां विद्यां पुरन् कश्चित् कौशिको धारयन् द्विजः योगधारणया स्वाङ्गं जहौ समरुदन्वनी.
The first line, sorry Narayani, pura, there's no in there, just pura.
Oh, pura da irukkindu. Imam vidyam pura kaschit kaushiko dharayan dvijaha yoga dharanaya swangam jahau samarudanvani.
Tasyopari vimanena, comma, Gandharva Patir Ekada or Patir Ekada, you can say it together. If you want to break it, Patir Ekada. Yayau Chitrarataha is there. You can put the is Chitraratas Stri Bihi on top of that br or something. If you have a ir, remove that and put a visarga and a comma. Stri Bihi, comma, Vrito Yatra Dvijakshayaha. So then it says after some days or years, I don't know what, but later on Vimanena, by means of an airplane, there was a Gandharva who was actually flying. Some Gandharva who was actually flying, and his name is Chitrarata. That's what they're saying here, Chitrarata, Stribihi, and he was with some women, etc. They were all flying. and they happened to be flying over this desert where the Dvija, where the body of this Kaushika was lying one day, right? That's what the stanza is. Tasyopari vimanena gandharvapatirekadha yayau chitra ratastribihi brito yatra dvijakshayah.
तस्योपरि विमानेन गन्धर्वपतिरेकदा ययौ चित्ररथस्त्रीभिः वृतो यत्र द्विजक्षयः तस्योपरि विमानेन गन्धर्वपतिरेकदा ययौ चित्ररथस्त्रीभिः वृतो यत्र द्विजक्षयः
तस्योपरि विमानेन गन्धर्वपतिरेकदा ययौ चित्ररथस्त्रीभिः वृतो यत्र द्विजक्षयः तस्योपरि विमानेन गन्धर्वपतिरेकदा ययौ चित्ररथस्त्रीभिः वृतो यत्र द्विजक्षयः.
Next one is 3 lines. Gaganan nyapatat sadhyaha. There's double half nas coming there. So Gaganan nyapatat sadhyaha, comma, sa vimano hyavakshiraha. Hya, it's a hya, ha and a ya. So hyavakshiraha. Sa vala kilya vachanath. So the that is there, we'll break it into it and the a. So vachanath, comma. Next one starts with the a. Astin yadaya vismitaha. Prasya prachi saraswatyam, comma. Snatva dhama swamanvaghat. So this is saying, so now when that Gandharva was flying on top of where this Kaushika's body was there, or the bones were there, so there was so much pull coming that his plane landed head down. It went and crashed into the desert to where this Kaushika was. So he then consulted this Valakhilya, a group of sages. He had consulted with them saying, why is this happening? Why did this happen? So they said there are these remains of this sage. There is this strong power here. So he then had to take the asti. He has to take the remains of that sage Kaushika and then go put in Saraswati, in the river Saraswati, and then, dispose that off. And then eventually he then took bath and everything, and he then went back. Gandharva went back. So it's talking about the power that this Kaushika sage had, who had recited this so many times. And there is one more example that will come, but that's what they are trying to say in this last 3, right? Is example of who has benefited. Gagananyapatat sadhyaha savimano hyavakshiraha savalakhilya vachanath astin hyadaya vismitaha prasya prachi saraswatyam snatva dhama swamanvaghat.
गगनान्यपतत् सद्यः सविमानो ह्यवाक्षिराः सवालखिल्यवचनात् अस्तीन्यदाय विस्मितः प्रास्य प्राची सरस्वत्यां स्नात्वधाम स्वमन्वगात्.
So when you go to that second line, astin yadhaya.
Astin vyadhaya.
No, yadhaya, not vya. Yadhaya.
Astin yadhaya vismitaha. Gagananyapatat satyah savimano hyavakshiraha savalakhilyavachanat astin yadhaya vismitaha prasya prachi saraswatyam snatva dhama swamanvagat.
गगनान्यपतात् सद्यः सविमानो ह्यवाक्षुराः सवालकिल्यवाचनाद् अस्तीन्यादाय विस्मितः प्रास्य प्राची सरस्वत्यां स्मात्वा धाम स्वमन्वगात्.
A couple of things. One, and the first line is hyavakshiraha.
Hyavakshiraha.
Okay. And then,
Hyabakshiraha.
correct. And then the last line is snatva.
Oh,
Sa and na is there. Snatva.
Snatva. Okay.
Rajesh
That-
ji.
Ah.
Oh, sorry, you finish.
No, go ahead.
I was going to ask Gagananya Padal Sadhyaha. Do we have to say the ha or
Yeah,
is it?
yeah. We are pausing there, right? So we'll say that sadhyaha. Yeah.
Thank you.
Gagananyapatat sadyah savimano hyavachuraha. Correct?
Hyabakshiraha.
Oh, she. Okay. Shu need it. Savimano hyabakshiraha savallakilyavachanad astinyadhaya vismitah prasya prachi saraswatyam snatva dama swamanvagat.
Some places like in the Valakilya Vachanath. Just say that word again.
Valakilya vachanad.
Correct. Okay.
Kilya.
Shri Shukauvacha ya idam shrunuyat khale, comma, yo dharayati chadritaha tam namasyanti bhutani, comma, muchyate sarvato bhayat. So this is Sri Shuka. Remember, Shukadeva is telling this to Parikshit, right? That's what is coming in Bhagavatam. So Sri Shuka is saying, Shukadeva is saying that whoever chants at Kale here is not referring to morning. It is referring to any time where you are fearful, right? It could be morning, evening, night, any time, right? So Yaidam Shunuyat Kale, whoever chants this or listens to it, and whoever dhareti, who kind of like you said earlier, right, who adopts it or wears this, right, chadritaha, with adrita, with devotion, with real devotion and everything. So that person, namasyanti bhutani, the entire world will worship that person, will respect that person, and also muchyate sarvato bhayat, they will be freed of all fears and everything, right? So I just the one thing I remember is my dad's brother, my Periyappa, older one, in Bombay. He was in this place called, whoever knows Bombay, in this place called Kolivada, Sion. He was in that place. So when the riots were happening in 1992, Hindu-Muslim riots were happening. Literally outside, they're in a flat, right? And the flat is on the road. Literally outside his flat for 1 week, they were burning cars and they were doing all these things, right? So they were completely shut. They couldn't get out of their house for 1 week. So he used to always, he used to chant Narayana every day. He was the one who also told us to learn. So he used to chant, but he told me that he used to chant Narayana Kavacham every time because he was so afraid that they could not come out. He had 2 daughters and everything, and they could not come out of the house. And that really, he thought it got him through, right? Because they were so afraid that you need a little bit of confidence, right, to get through this. Shri Shukauvacha yaidham shrunuyat kale yo dharayati chadritah tam namasyanti bhutani muchyate sarvato bhayat.
Shri Shuka Uvacha Yayidam Shrunuyat Kale Yodharayati Chadritaha Tam Namasyanti Bhutani Muchyate Sarvato Bhayat. Shri Shuka Uvacha Yayidam Shrunuyat Kale Yodharayati Chadritaha Tam Namasyanti Bhutani Muchyate Sarvato Bhayat.
Shri Shukauvacha yaidam shrunuyat kale yodarayati chadritah tam namasyanti bhutani muchyate sarvatho bhayat. Shri Shukauvacha yaidam shrunuyat kale yodarayati chadritah tam namasyanti bhutani muchyate sarvatho bhayat.
Etam vidyam adigato, comma, if you want to break it, you can break it at that vidyam adigato, or you can say it together, vidyam adigato, comma, vishwarupach chata kratuhu trailokya lakshmim bhubuje, comma, vinirjitya mridhe suran. Remember that Shuka was telling this to Parikshit to give example of what this Vishwarupa was telling to Indra, right? So the very first stanza itself, it said Indra had disrespected Brihaspati, so he had left, so he had become weak. So then he went to this Vishwarupa, who then taught Indra Narayana Kavacham, and that's what Shuka Brahma is telling to Parikshit, right? So here it says this, after having obtained this knowledge, Indra then performed multiple, homums and sacrifices and everything, and he got Trilokya Lakshmi. He got the benefits, or the Lakshmi is just prosperity. He got all the prosperity of all the three worlds, and then he was also able to win over Mride Asuran. He was able to win over the Asuras, right? And so this is what even Indra learned it from Vishwarupa, and then Shuka Brahma then taught this to Parikshit, right, with this story. Etam vidyamadigato Vishwarupachyatakratuh Trailokya Lakshmim Bhubuje Vinirjitya Mride Suran.
एतां विद्यामधिगतो विश्वरूपाच्यतक्रतुः त्रैलोक्यलक्ष्मीं बुभुजे विनिर्जित्य मृधे सुरान् एतां विद्यामधिगतो विश्वरूपाच्यतक्रतुः त्रैलोक्यलक्ष्मीं बभुजे विनिर्जित्य मृधे सुरान्.
That's Bubuje, Trailokya Lakshmi.
Yeah, sorry.
Etam vidyamadigato Vishwarupa Chatakratuhu Trailokya Lakshmim Bubuje Vinirjitya Mride Suran. Etam vidyamadigato Vishwarupa Chatakratuhu Trailokya Lakshmim Bubuje Vinirjitya Mride Suran.
Shri Iti is, I think some books did not have that last concluding. So if you don't have it, you can look at the English version that has it. Iti Srimad Bhagavata Mahapurane Paramahamsyam Samhitayam Shashtaskande, so 6th canto, Narayana Varma Kathanam Nama Ashtamodhyayaha, 8th chapter of the 6th canto. Iti Srimad Bhagavata Mahapurane Paramahamsyam Samhitayam Shashtaskandhe Narayana Varma Kathanam Nama Ashtamodhyayaha.
அது என்னோடதுல இல்ல, என்னோட புக்ல இல்ல.
You also no, if you have it, okay. I'll send a picture of this.
My book has a little different. It says
My book has a little different too. Nabogya vastuni naka prishtam அப்படினு இருக்கு. Na siddhi labam paramiksha kangshe.
Okay, that must be, yeah. I mean, this is not there in Bhagavatam either, but this I found this in something else. So Bhagavatam, it just ends with that previous. I just took a picture. I'll send it to you all for reference.
So the last இது வந்து ஏதாம் வித்யாம் அதிகதோ, அதுதான் last.
Correct. Nama. Just check here. Yeah, that ends the chapter in Bhagavatam, and then it goes to the next one immediately. So I just sent the Sanskrit version in the group. I'll try to get the English version of it. Okay, so this completes the Narayana Kavacham also, right? So I'll just stop the recording here.